Imagine opening a browser that doesn't just show websites but actually understands what you are searching for, summarizes pages for you, compares information instantly, and even helps you research like a human assistant. That's exactly what Comet AI browser does. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Comet AI browser step by step for beginners. We'll cover everything from installation to understanding the interface, using the AI panel, managing tabs, and finally, how to summarize articles easily. So, if you're new to Comet AI or even AI browsers in general, don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it. And welcome back to my channel, To Bloom AI. Comet AI is an AI powered web browser designed to make browsing smarter and faster. Unlike traditional browsers like Chrome or Edge, Comet has artificial intelligence built directly into it. This means that instead of opening 10 tabs and searching, you can simply ask the browser what you want and it gives you clear and summarized and context aware answers. The best part is that Comet AI works alongside your regular browser. You don't lose Chrome or Firefox. Let's start with the installation. First, open your current browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and go to the official Comet AI website. Once you're there, you will see a download option. Click the download button and wait for the installer file. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the on-screen instructions. This installation process is very simple. After installation, Comet AI will open as a separate browser, just like Chrome opens separately from Edge. This means your original browser remains the same with all the bookmarks and extensions and saved passwords exactly. This is the interface of Comet AI browser, and alongside different options, you can also find this Comet Assistant panel. This AI panel is basically your personal assistant inside the browser. Whenever you open a web page, article, or blog, or even a product page, you can open the AI panel and ask questions about that specific page. And what makes this powerful is that AI understands the context of the page you're on. So it doesn't just give generic answers. And this feature alone can save you hours of browsing time. Tabs in Comet AI work like normal tabs but with a smart twist. You can open multiple tabs for research, and Comet's AI can understand information across tabs. This means you can compare content from different pages without switching back and forth. For example, if you're researching tools, prices, or features, you can ask Comet AI to compare information from multiple open tabs and give you a clear conclusion. And this is extremely useful for students, freelancers, content creators, and anyone who does online research. The biggest difference between Comet AI and traditional browsers is how much thinking it does for you. Instead of searching and opening links and reading long pages and manually summarizing information, Comet does most of that work in seconds. It turns browsing into a conversation rather than a task. And again, you don't have to replace your current browser. You can keep using Chrome for daily work and open Comet only when you need smart research or AI assistant. Okay, I want to summarize this article. So I copy and paste the URL into address bar of Comet AI browser and press enter. Now I open Comet Assistant panel and give a prompt that summarize this article. As you can see, it gives me the clear summary of the whole article, and I can also give a different prompt that give me 5 key points of this article. Now I have 5 key points from this article. So this is for now, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more AI tool tutorials.